Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa mall. Kasama ko ang birthday boy yung ayan, si Mami nakadress. Nakalong dress ang aking lola na yun. Diba? Ganda ng dress ko guys. Ganda ko talaga guys. Kasi okay po ito guys. So dito muna tayo sa ating suking tindahan. Aray! Ayan, nakalong dress tayo. Napakan ni Gabi ng paa ko. Hi, sayang. Mahangin sa labas. Super mahangin. Ayan, makulit. Makulit na birthday boy mga Mara na usakingan. So, naglalakad kami papunta sa bangko kasi kailangan kong i-update yung try ko i-update sa machine ako online kasi hindi na ako makatransfer, mayroong mga babayarin makatransfer kasi kailangan ko daw i-update. So naglalakad kami papunta sa bangko, tapos papunta kami sa kainan kaya magkain siya kain man siya sa nila mga marikira nagugutom na naman nag-heal kasi ako kaya masakit yung pa ako kanila na tayo sa nakapili na po ako ng 4 na klase na gold, 3 earrings, 1 bracelet kasi yun ang request na namin customer para sa aming paluwagan. Daan-daan hirapan na lalo sa mami naka 2 inches pa naman ako ng sandal 2 inches masakit ng aking mga paa dapat ang sinilas mga ako naka long dress kasi ako kaya ako lang sandal Pinupod. I love it. Request ng birthday boy, guys. Ito yung request ng birthday boy.
The recording?
Request niya kumain dito sa Filipino food sa Tambayan. Ayan oh. Dito kami sa Tambayan sa Api-Api. Kami lang ang customer sa ngayon. Early dinner ni Gavin. That's your early dinner?
Yeah. The sun is still not yet out. It's still not yet down.
Enjoy your meal.
Let me mix.
Ay! Ayan yung akin guys. Okay. Ito lang nagsabaw. Nagbulalo ako. Pero kulang man sa lasa.
Hey mom?
And guys, naglalakad kami papunta sa Center Point. Galing kami sa kabilang mall. Busog na ang gata, guys.
Try the cheese.
Ibit-bit na naman siyang cheese from Philippines. Ang mahal-mahal dito. Ayan. Kain na naman siya. Walang kataputang kain. Pura buyag. Akong Gavino, guys. Ang akong boy-boy.
POD. You get chipped in. That's how you realize the camera line of. There.
What for? Last year, you celebrate your birthday here.
Wait, we should have gone here.
Sa McDonald's siya nag-birthday last year.
Look. Oh my god. Let's find it and go here and then we can do that. so many
Monday.
screens.
Naglalakad kami kasi magbili kami ng uniform ni Gavin, extra uniform.
Today, let's see if this is if we can go up here and go there. Let's see if they open it this time.
Be careful, anak, you have car.
Let's see if they open it this time.
Hold on.
Tell them when.
Baho. Kanal, oh. Baho.
Baho, baho. Smells like 1,000 pieces of poop.
Baho talaga ng kanal na yan.
Smells like 1,000 pieces of poop. That is right there.
Oh, we passed that way, nako.
Wait, pass that way?
Yeah, over there.
Oh wait, that's perfect.
Yes, so that we don't need to walk too much. But we go to buy it downstairs, right? We're just going down by there. From there, we're going
Not
down.
bad at all.
Hindi masyadong matao ang city ngayon.
I have never get to try the Zaza's coffee.
Oh, sauce coffee.
I seen that thing like 1 year ago
Oh,
in 2024.
okay ka?
By the way, today is 2025.
We cannot pass this way.
It's already been 12 months.
Wait, mama.
I'll see you in the
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Okay. Oh, si yung boyfriend ko. Wait, si mami. Outfit check muna, oh. May ano guys. Outfit check ni mami, nakadress. May paslit-slit pa sa gilid. Ay! Uy! Akit kami sa hagdan dyan.
Wait, we can go up there.
We go up here or we go there?
We go up there.
Okay, go. Dito na lang kami dadaan. Okay, slowly, watch your step. Yan, akyat tayo, pataas. Ala! Natapakan ko yung dress ko. Yung dress ni madam.
Why
Nagisi.
did you wear this?
Anak, be careful ha. Oh my God, anak. It's so scary.
I
So
know.
high.
I'm scared too.
Oh my goodness.
Imagine if,
Oh! Ang
imagine.
taas kasi.
I really hope a squirrel didn't die. From
Okay,
the
let's
hose.
go. Yan, nakahil pa.
jeez.
What's your step, baby ko? Bigat pa ng katawan ni mami. Taba-taba ni mami ngayon eh.
Literally.
Alright.
Okay, we're here. Dude, next time if we go here, if we want to get
Ay,
something,
galing kami doon guys. Oh. Nakasapi, nakadulo. Tapos dito na kami.
to go here.
Yan. Dito ko laging bumibili ng mga beadings. Come here. Ngunit to show lang.
Food. This is food. I'm gonna eat some cheese.
Oh, this way.
Cheese.
Ayan guys, dito kami sa Survey Center Point. Dahil, ay, mayroon silang happy birthday. Ayan, mayroong salamat pangantin baro. Ang ganda nito ah. Pang present.
Let's go down. Let's go down.
Buy your uniform, ha? Okay? Magbili lang kami ng uniform ni Gabi. You like this?
No.
No?
I think this is your name, no?
Why? You can put your money.
Wait, what's that?
Huh?
More Uno. Drink.
Ay, nako. No need.
So that, I already took. No, you took that. I already took.
Put back, please.
No, I only tried. I tried.
This is cost of money.
I tried.
You cannot go home. Nag-away muna kami guys bago niya binalik yung yung laruan. Ang dami na niyang laruan sa bahay. Kasi nga kaka-birthday niya kahapon. Napunta lang talaga kami dito para sa para sa uniform niya.
Hold the plastic.
Kasi gusto ng daddy niya padagdagan yung uniform.
Can we use the escalator?
We go to find your uniform, anak. We go to find your uniform, okay? We buy uniform, not the
Where is it?
in the basement. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Squish, squish. Okay.
Okay, go. Okay.
Fast. Big guy. Bigger. Bigger. Be careful. Come here.
No, this is the elevator.
Not for that is not for the customer. That is for the.
No, I don't know. That was an elevator for not us.
19. That is 19. It's better. Fine.
Could you stop making me nervous? I'm gonna leave if the next time you do it again. I guess I'm gonna look back for the next 5 minutes.
So yan na guys, nakapili na kami ng isang uniform tapos socks XL. Ang bilis na ng anak ko eh. Parang ano lang na, parang ano na siya, ang size niya nasa alam niya, ang size niya guys ay kailangan pang teenager na yung size niya. Malaki kasi si Gavin. Gavin, come. Gavin. Gav. So ngayon, mayroon naman siyang mga shoes doon. May dalawa siya, may bago akong binili. Gavin. Para komportable naman siya pa sa mga damit, sa mga tinutuot niya sa school. How about the short pants? That can fit for you? All your short pants there? Huh?
Yeah.
Sige na. After this, we're going to buy your sister milk tea. Okay? No more. We buy first. We go to see for some needed in the house there. We don't have already the potato. Tingin muna ako mga maring kung ano yung pwede namin bilhin. Mas marami kami kailangan.